Recovery and body analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. All values come from your wearable's latest sync. Resting HR is measured while you sleep. A full detailed view of sleep score, weight, body fat, resting heart rate, HRV, sleep breakdown. A colored bar split into deep, light, and REM, VO to max, and stress level. A why this number panel explains the data source. Same physiology row as the dashboard, plus resting HR and HRV from normalized daily entry. Physiological trends are computed by the feature service. It takes up to 14 recent physiology rows, splits them into the 7 most recent and the 7 older ones, computes the mean of each group, and subtracts to find the direction of change. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.